welcome to another video, and we are back in the UK. Pouring a rain, 16th of April 2023 to Sunday, and we're at Shugborough Hall, and hopefully we're just going to see what's left of the daffodils. And we've got Dick with us today. Come on. Nick's enjoying himself today. And the rain's just starting to go off a little bit now. Just as I say that, guess what? It's coming on again. I guess in the UK you just can't plan anything. You've just got to go for it and take the best. So hopefully it might stop drizzling a little bit in a minute. So we've got Mum with us as well today. And they've took her down in a buggy down to the mansion here. So we should meet up with them soon. The lambs are enjoying themselves in the rain today. So it's 10 o'clock and we're just by the tea room area. So over there you've got the mansion shop. Toilets right there. Like a lot of renovation works going on here at the moment at the mansion. The old plot there. Here's the first of the daffodils. So the daffodils are starting to die off a little bit. Mansion opening times 11:30 until 4:30 p.m. Some beautiful flowers here in the mansion gardens. This is the front of the mansion here at Shugborough Estate. Just look at the detail. It's unbelievable. The gardening is immense. Just look how they've trimmed all these bushes. And they look absolutely awesome. The rain has finally gone off. On a nice summer's day, you've got the deck chairs here. You can just come and chill out. The Shugborough Estate is National Trust, so we get in free with the National Trust cards. But entry is £14 per person. Some amazing statues. And this is where there's been a really good display of daffodils. We're down by the river and the lake area. Beautiful daffodils. So the gardens are absolutely huge here at the Shugborough Estate. Well worth a visit. Good selfie spot there. You can get your picture in with the National Trust. Check that out. Really good. And the old ruins. And again, the detail is just amazing. Just amazing how they built these all them years ago. the disabled, you can get the buggy down here every 30 minutes. Got step-free paths all the way down here. Welcome to England. Here comes the rain again. Yeah, we've definitely missed the daffodils. It would have been absolutely spectacular here. Look. Shugborough Hall is a fantastic place to come with if you've got a little dog. All dogs are on leads here, so we can all enjoy the scenery. So this is the Chinese house. Completed in 1747, one of the first buildings here at Shugborough Estate, and apparently the first Chinese settlement possibly here in the UK. So right at the end there is the Essex Bridge, which is the end of the Shugborough Estate. Again, just check out the artwork there. It's just amazing how they did that all them years ago. Nice little National Trust deck chair there for chill out in the summer. Look at this old tree. I wonder how old this one is. Amazing. Size of the swan wings when fully open. Or a grey heron. So it says here, can you stretch as wide as a swan's wingspan? On these boards you will see an outline of a swan or a heron. This shows the wingspan. Stand against it, the board, stretch your arms out, see how wide the wingspan matches. Massive. Behind us there is the another entrance and the Essex Bridge. This is the Easter tree, all dressed up for Easter, which was a week ago. And the drizzle's back with a vengeance again. But we're having a good walk. We're enjoying Shugborough Hall this April Sunday morning. Different than Queensland last week, where it was blazing sunshine. Nick's enjoying himself here at Shugborough today. A little bit dirty, he's going to have a bath when he gets in, I think. The old National Trust, it's really good for the family. On the corner there, they're playing noughts and crosses. Hope you're all enjoying this video on this rainy day in April today here at Shugborough Estate. Size of this tree, massive. 11 AM and plenty of cars coming into the estate. Horns on this guy, wouldn't like to meet him the other side of the fence. Some young lambs there. So that's the buggy for the disabled, again every 30 minutes. Open air cinema from 19th to the 21st of May. Mamma Mia, Top Gun, Maverick, The Greatest Showman sing-along. That'd be good. And there we go, that's it. Hope you've enjoyed this short video today of Shugborough. Could have done more if it wasn't rainy as bad, but a great family day out. If you've enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, and of course, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video here in the UK soon.